I'm here with Clark from BJT. Clark, great to see you. How are you?
Good, I'm good. And you?
Fantastic. Now, I can see you've been really busy this morning and over the last few days. Tell us about these impressive packaging solutions.
So we're doing paper packaging, so replacement of plastic. So we have come up with quite a few solutions to replace the plastics. So we have honeycomb paper here.
Yep.
And then, so this is to replace, well, trying to replace bubble wrap.
Right.
So, and also this comes in a compact roll, so it doesn't take up a lot of space in the inventory. So that's actually quite saving the space, right? So this is also another product. So to replace the bubble wraps.
Yep.
So this is a paper version of the bubble wrap, and it's made by like a machine, and also it doesn't take out a lot of space.
Yeah.
So, yep.
Yeah, fantastic. And we were talking before as well, Clark, about the importance of space saving, but also the versatility of the machines. They can be very portable, much smaller than what I used to see in the past, which is really important for space. But also with the growth of e-commerce and some of the quick moving supply chain, I can see why you're so busy here at CeMAT.
Yeah. So all these machines is designed to be useful and also improve efficiency.
Yeah, great. So tell us about the company itself. Is this your first time in Australia?
No. So, well, yes, actually.
Yeah.
This company has just started in Australia, but it's sold to Australian distributors in the past.
Yeah.
And so we are here to represent the company in China.
Yep.
So all these machines and products are actually made in China, but we're here to set up an office and to provide a better service to our customers.
Fantastic, Clark. Tell us about CeMAT. Have you enjoyed it?
Yes, I have.
Yep.
Definitely.
Great.
Yes.
Well, as I said, I know we've been walking past and there's been a lot of interest in the machine. So, your whole team's been quite busy over the last few days.
Yes, we have.
Great.
Yes.
Well, congratulations, Clark. They look really impressive. I like what all the benefits: sustainability, space saving, efficiency. So, there's some great initiatives. Congratulations.
Okay.
Thanks, Clark.
Thanks,
Ta-
buddy.
ta.